the last 4 years, I've been training customers on how to operate and program their Thermwood machines. And I hear it all the time. Programming feels overwhelming, or they just don't want to do it. And I get it. It's a valid concern. But here's the thing. We built solutions that erase that fear. Built into our control software, control nesting gives you the ability to process various types of jobs right at the machine. No programming, no code, nothing. We also have eCabinets. eCabinets is a 3D design software that we have for free. You can download it at our website, and it'll let you design your parts in 3D, send it straight to the machine, and boom, you're done. On top of that, we have a premium version, Cut Ready. Cut Ready isn't just software, it's a game changer. Some shops have even built their entire business around it. And that's why we're headed to Austin, Texas to visit Dovetail Drawers to see how Cut Ready has revolutionized the way they do business. I'm Bill Logic, and this is Thermwood Beyond the Cut.
In my early 20s, I just got out of a sales and marketing position. And I was in between jobs and I asked if I could come work. And then of course I came here and worked for 2 weeks, and I've been here almost 9 years ever since. My name is Drew French. I'm the operations manager here at Dovetail Drawers of Texas. We're an Austin, Texas local-based manufacturing company.
We have customers that by the time they pick up all their product here, they can be a custom cabinet maker with a screw gun. And that's all they need. My name's Jimmy. I'm the owner of Dovetail Drawers of Texas. We manufacture dovetail drawers, and we also manufacture cabinet components and other things that we can create with our Thermwood CNC machines. We started in 2006, and we were asked to do it by a cabinet shop that I was servicing in another industry I was in. They were outsourcing their drawers out of California, and in 2006, when fuel went up, the price of shipping was more than the drawers, and so they asked me if I would like to do that, and that's how we started. We started in a 400 square foot shop with a minimum amount of equipment, and pretty soon other customers found out we were making dovetail drawers, and they asked us to manufacture for them, and it's just grown from there.
I'm Kelly Hoff. I'm the production manager here at Dovetail Drawers of Texas. Our job is to keep production flowing from start to finish, from morning to evening, Monday through Friday.
Our previous machine, good machine, worked well. The issue was we got into cutting cabinet parts. We had some customers that said, hey, we see you're cutting your drawer components on a CNC, can you cut cabinet parts for us? And we said, well, sure. So we had a customer that got their own software, and we started cutting for them, and we decided we liked that business and wanted to do it. The issue was getting what the customer wanted to our machine. I didn't want to hire someone to sit in a room all day and draw pictures, and then all of a sudden my customers are bringing in their clients, and we're having all these meetings and slowing things down because we're just manufacturers, and that's all we want to do is manufacture. I did not know Thermwood before I saw that my neighbor had the 41 machine, but I had seen Thermwood at AWFS show. I had been to their booth, and then, like I said, when we started looking for a way to get our customers' ideas to our machine, that's when we export Cut Ready. There's no software to learn. If you just pick a picture you like, resize it, and that's all you have to do. And so that's what we did.
Thermwood machines make my job easy. We start them up about 6:45, 7 o'clock in the morning, and don't shut them down till 5 p.m.
One thing I noticed with the Thermwood is a lot more shop friendly. I can definitely tell you that, since using the Thermwood, it's been a game changer.
Just as soon as we got it and started showing people the Cut Ready, our cabinet parts cutout business just grew immediately. The machine is so simple to use. There's not a lot of extra fluff. The most important thing is tech support, because I don't care who makes the machine, they all break. But Thermwood's tech support is second to none. I've got virtual service. I hit the button, within about 2 minutes, someone's calling me and going through the machine, and I've never been down very long.
With the Cut Ready program, when it prints our stickers to label our parts, it lets us know whether or not it's going to receive edge banding. which makes it really nice to be able to separate those out.
Everybody signing up and using the Cut Ready software completely changed our business model, and whereas cabinets used to just be kind of like a small thing we did on the side for people, now it's kind of taking over the business that we are.
Once we got the first machine and people got turned on to the Cut Ready for their cabinet components, I mean, once we show people how easy it is and show them what we can do, the reality of it is we can manufacture it for you cheaper than you can do it yourself if you place any value on your time. It's really a no-brainer. And so as that grew and grew and grew, we just had the need for another machine. So now we have a Thermwood that does nothing but our drawer box components, and we have another Thermwood that does nothing but our cabinet components, and they both run all day, every day.
They run flawlessly. It's whether the shop's 30 degrees or 100 degrees, the Thermwoods keep up.
The Cut Ready software, that's just completely changed what we're doing as a company. Everybody's signing up for it. It's making them easy to get cabinets. It's helping them turn bigger jobs, turn a profit. It's helping us be a bigger company. It's been, I really think it is a life-changing software and machine.
Well, with the new one, with the rake on it, when it's done, it unloads and pushes it off to the end of the table. You blow it off, you load a new sheet, hit the button, and while that's running, you can be down there offloading all your parts. They come off the end of the conveyor, and the conveyor continuously feeds you as you pull parts off, and it's a huge labor savings as well.
Having a Cut Ready job in there that a customer puts in, it's just a no-brainer just to go nest it real quick. Like, you don't have to be experienced in CAD or anything like that.
To me, there's a lot of value in the fact that Thermwood does everything in-house. The main thing though is the tech support. You know, with the other machine, if something went down, you'd make a phone call for tech support. You weren't sure when you would get a call back, and that brought some anxiety. When something happens with these machines, I don't worry about it because I know you're going to take care of it. I know Thermwood will take care of it, and it's going to be quick. So there's a lot of peace of mind in running Thermwood machines. Our major focus has always been dovetail drawers, but because of the Thermwood routers and the Cut Ready, the balance of business between dovetail drawers and cabinet parts manufacturing is starting to sway more to cabinet parts manufacturing. So I see that as much the future of our business as dovetail drawers, and we're working really hard to work ourselves into a third machine, which will be a Thermwood.